Yay, the sun came back out after all that rain. I'm going to do a follow-up here from the burning holes in the garden weed suppressor kind of fabric. And whew, I think the sun's awfully bright now. But I want to show you how it looks after I've planted just a few sunflowers. And then I want to compare to where the cloth was last year and flowers grew, and show you how that works. All right, let's get you switched around here. There we go. Okay, I moved the camera around a lot last time, but hopefully this will give you a little idea. I think on camera I burned that one and decided to put this here for light just for the moment, for the time being. Now I'm moving you way over here, and I'm showing you that I had 2 layers of this netting. I think you can see it, and I wasn't sure. I may still take down 1 layer, but I just dug with this hand tool so I wouldn't get caught in the, oh, it's kind of like the large one. You can open it and close it like the large shovel one, but I didn't want to get the shovel all hung up in these, dang it, netting. Yeah, I still have speech problems. Thanks for your patience. Let me show you. I'm going to move the, that's my irrigation system right now. May update that some, but I'm trying to be real low cost. Okay, so if you can see here, maybe I'll get it down here. Okay, all I'm gonna do, because these had, maybe I should come back. There we go. You might be able to hear the crunch. And see here. So what I did was make sure that any weeds that came up, and you can see I've cleared, there's actually a few berry vines, there's a few things I've cleared out, but for the most part, it's gonna be just fine. But it was cutting through some of the weed roots that are still there. And so I'm going to get in my sunflowers that are ready to go in. I think it's Pro Cut Orange and then Pro Cut Red. And I think I have a 12-pack ready. Maybe that's large enough now from the crazy sunflower blend. So then I also staked those. They're not looking good at all, so they may die. And since we're right here, I'll show you those. They were just there from last year, and I haven't staked them. They held up well with all of the rain. I probably will, just to give them a little strength, because nothing around them will be large enough for them to have some shelter from the storms. Okay. Thanks for following me on this journey. I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.